Hello friends, let us design a form through which we can send our query to the search engine or to YouTube. I am designing a form using brackets and I am using input type as text here in the form. So here, let us rename the labels. Here we will try to search information on Google, YouTube and Reddit. So this is how our form is going to look like. Let us check how to send information to a particular page, because we need to send our information to Google, YouTube and Reddit for processing it. Now I have opened Google and I am trying to search something, for example web. So as we can observe here, as soon as we search anything, search query goes to google.com/search. And the query is given a name of an alphabet. Here in this case it is Q, and it is seen that Q is equal to web, that is the information what we searched for. Now let us copy and paste the address of this particular page in the form action field, so our information goes to this page. And I will name the input type name as Q, so Google can process it as a normal input. The same procedure has to be followed for YouTube as well as Reddit. So let us open the YouTube. As you can see here, the information what we searched goes to the page youtube.com/results, and the name of our query is search_query. So I will copy this link which has to be pasted in the form action, and I will name my input type name as search query. Similarly, I will do the same thing with the Reddit also. Now let us type our query in the form and check whether it is producing the results or not. So as we can see here that all the three fields in the form gave the results accurately. Our queries was processed by Google, YouTube and Reddit. So this is how you can create a form and send your information to a particular page and get the results. Thank you.